Hi, I'm Charlie Fontenot from Vaughn Automotive in Alexandria, and today I'd like to show you a 2004 Chevrolet Silverado Z71 four-wheel drive. This vehicle comes with a 5.3 V8 Vortex engine. When you open up the inside of the vehicle, it is the extended cab. It does have four doors that opens on the other side also. It's got the bucket seats with the console, which makes it convenient to store stuff and real comfortable to drive. Look at the amenities on the inside. Is the automatic four-wheel drive. All you do is push a button. You can go down the highway and push it to four-wheel high. To go to four-wheel low, you have to be in neutral and not moving at all. That's when you're actually stuck in the mud. The vehicle comes with a dual climate control. It's got the power windows, the power locks, the tilt, the cruise. This vehicle does come with a G80, which is a locking rear differential. This vehicle also has towing package. You set up, all you do is put your plug in, your wire's already hooked up. It's got your bumper with the lights here and your spare tire. There's a lock right here that you use your regular ignition key to unlock to help lower your spare tire. The vehicle doesn't have but 64,000 miles, which is an average of 8,000 miles a year. So you got plenty time left on this vehicle. I'm Charlie Fontenot from Vaughn. Please come out on Jackson Street Extension and look at this truck for a good deal. And again, that's a Vaughn value.